called?
I haven't got names for the wee chicks.
They shouldn't have names because you don't know which one's which.
Ah, that's right. You don't know which
No,
one's which, so
that's
there's no
right.
point
You just
having
called
it.
the check. What age is this one?
There.
What age are they?
Chicks are a week old.
Are they going to your chest?
This is so fluffy.
Patrick, do you like them?
Oh, yeah.
What are you looking at? The wee checks? And what else do you see
We'll
here?
get them in there. We'll keep
I love
them
these
close
rabbits.
together.
The rabbits?
Yeah, I love the rabbits and the chicks. I love the
No,
pigs the most.
they're not
That's
sheep.
so
You like the
lovely.
pigs?
Sheep.
No, I don't like them.
They're not sheep.
What else do you feel?
So do you like the wee ducks, Priya?
Yeah, I think hold the check.
Wee checks, I mean, sorry. Look at the wee pig.
Why do they make noises?
Careful, you.
Hey!
That's the way they make noises. It's not a sheep.
It's
A wee pig.
Are you really the
Or
floor?
whatever you call them.
How do you hold it now, Patrick?
No, but no, I'm scared.
That's a rabbit. Do you want to sit up on the sofa and I'll let you hold one?
No,
There, right.
that's
Set you up now and we'll let you see the rabbit. We'll let you see one. How are you?
Wee princess.
Are you going to let Leon see one? Right up in this thing. Yeah.
Lucy, what have you got, a rabbit?
I am color rabbit.
Priya, show
Oh,
Priya.
watch careful with him. Just let him look at it.
Let the rabbits out too.
Gentle there.
The rabbit's out
You
now
want that
too.
up in your name?
Now the rabbits are out.
No, careful. He's too
I'm
close.
scared to
Now.
take these out.
Mom will go over and
Can
see
these
them.
walk?
No.
Can they walk?
Yeah.
Why?
No.
I'm not taking mine.
You like them?
It's nice and quiet in here.
There's not many houses on here. There's only 10 or something. Nine
Nine?
houses. Quiet on here. Careful.
Oh, what's getting out?
They're getting out. They're going to fly.
These can't fly, can they?
No.
You can't play yet.
I'm
You jump
joking.
about
You
it.
jump out. No.
Jump!
They're so cute, Leon. What is that doing?
What will these look like when they're bigger?
You want to lift
What
them?
will they
Will
look
you put them
like?
up in the sofa?
Just be like hens.
Oh, you're not allowed in there, little rabbit.
Isn't that cute? Do you want to sit up and I'll let you hold one?
Lucy, what do you have yet? Do you like a
I
rabbit?
get it. We'll go get it. Where are you? It's over here.
What do you like about the rabbit?
This one likes me.
I think
Sorry,
it
you're
does.
playing. What's happening?
How long have we had this rabbit?
Haven't now about 3 or 4 months, I would say.
He wants
What
to know
is
everything.
this?
What?
He loves to know everything.
That's alright.
We sit down your bum. Sit down your bum. Mommy, let you see one. Sit down and let you check.
I want them to all be free.
Are you alright?
That's it, yeah.
All free. They're all free.
Don't not too close to him. They tickle him.
You're getting heavy.
Careful. Not too close to me. Checks get you hurt them. Sit down.
Can't reach it.
Sit down and let you hold the checks.
Sit down and hold the check, Liam.
They're micro pigs, but they're still be right.
Hold one. Do you like them? Sit down there and we'll let you hold one.
Not that many farmers left.
Careful with me, chicks. How are you? Is that what you're asking?
How are you, Liam?
It's not a sheep, it's a big microphone. Sit down there, that wee rabbit, and gentle with
No, just nurse them on your knee.
Curl them on your knee. Look at the wee thing.
Hey, go on now. Stop it. Leave me recheck below.
Checks in the basket for the...
Let's keep the checks in the basket.
I think so. Look at them jumping him down.
Checks
Right,
are
lift the wee rabbit off now. Well, if you're scared it, let's take it away from her if she's scared it.
Hey,
Hey,
go on.
They're lovely, aren't they?
It's got an
What he's pounds to keep.
Aye, now you
No,
check.
you're not allowed to fly out.
Have you got a kitchen roll or something?
Just toilet roll now, like there's stuff that you can get. Oh,
Put the wee rabbit down.
I'll be back.
Aye.